Afternoon, guys. So I'm about to do a video for a Husqvarna 136. So as it sounds, 36cc engine. This all came to me in part exchange, and I already have a 136, a 137 and a 141, so this one's superfluous, but it came in against an old Pioneer saw, so I'm putting it up on eBay for spares or repair. It's had a very recent Husqvarna bar. The bar looks in excellent condition. It's a 13-inch bar. Oh, don't know if I'm even in shot. It's a 13-inch bar and has a very recent Oregon full chisel chain. It seems sharp, and it seems to idle well, and it seems to cut well. So I'm going to do a small video of it starting and cutting, and then I'll show it on a restart. Anybody interested wants to come out and take a look, you'd be more than welcome. So it's going up on eBay for spares or repair. They're a lovely engine, the Husqvarnas. They really are. They're a beautifully made saw. Everything appears to work. Kill switch, choke, throttle lock. Oh, good compression. Hey guys, so I hope that came out clear. So that's cutting 15-inch timber. Seems to cut it very clean. I shall quickly show it on a restart. So a great small logging saw. Nice weight as well. I think they're about 4.6 kilos. So again, around the 10-pound mark in weight. So I'll quickly show it a restart, maybe do a couple of extra cuts, and then hopefully suitable for somebody out there. No kill switch. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope I was mostly in shot for that video. Anybody wants to take a look, you'd be more than welcome. Any questions, please just ask. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.